Hey, this is Scott from Harvest Helper, and today we're going to be replacing the button on a Twister T2, so stay tuned. Alright, so to start with, we just pop these 4 screws up on the control box. You can leave the screws in there and just loosen them if you want. Push that to the side. And then this thing right here, it's just like a clip that holds it in there. You just push in the center of that and it frees that up so that you can pull it right out. And then once you've got that out, just spin this clip on the inside right here. That frees your button up to come out.
Oh, nice.
All right, so I'm gonna take my new button and just remember to take the spinning thing off there, and then just put it through there. Get that nice and tight, and you're just trying to make sure that you don't have any gap in between your button right here, because you don't want any water getting in there. And it has this waterproof little gasket, and you can probably hardly see it right there behind there. Once you got that tight on there, just simply just push this back on there. See that retaining clip's still in there? And you just push it back in there like that. Be careful not to strip this out when you do it back in there. That's it, new button.